we get 11 pieces. Is 11 the best we can do? What did we do? We made sure all the cuts went through places separately. And if you went through places separately, that's absolutely the best thing we can do because we can't create more pieces, right? Are you sure? Let's look back. Did we make any mistakes in anything here? Well, this seems to be pretty convincing for this round pizza. But what did we just say a few minutes ago? Not every pizza is round. So what if this pizza were rectangular instead? What happens? Well, what's going to happen? We put the one cut on, the other cut crosses it. You can kind of imagine taking this pizza and turning it into a rectangle, and what's going to happen? Same thing, right? So rectangular, round, doesn't matter. What about a triangular shaped pizza? Doesn't matter, right? So does the shape of the pizza matter? Let's look at our Valentine's Day pizza. One cut, how many pieces can we get? One cut goes right there. How many pieces can we get? We can get 3 pieces, can't we? With one cut. So what will that do to our 11-piece question? Probably seems like you should make it 12, right? We did the same kind of idea. We should be able to get 12. So can we get more than 11? Yeah, but what happens? It's back to the understanding part. Does the shape of the pizza matter? What about with a starfish-shaped pizza? Depends on how those arms on the starfish are. We might be able to get even more than 3 pieces with one cut, right? You might be able to do who knows what. Okay, so this question, can you get 11 pieces, sounds really easy. It's a yes or no question. But what happens, there are other questions built in, or extensions of that built in, which is an important part of problem solving. Not just in a math course, but problem solving in real life, being able to consider the other issues. Okay, so let's go back to let's go to a rectangular pizza. So here's a rectangular pizza. Because rectangular, round, triangle, it's all the same, right? As far as how many pieces you can get. All right, so I'm going to just allow one cut of this pizza. How many pieces can I get with one cut?
2.
2? Does everyone agree with that, right? With one cut, I can get 2 pieces. I haven't cut it yet. How many pieces can I get with one cut? Okay, when I folded it, it may not be a pizza anymore, it may be a calzone now. But what happens? I'm going to do one cut. How many pieces can I get with one cut?
4.
4?
Unless you fold
3.
it, not cut it.
There's where you meant to cut, right? And what happens? 1, 2, 3 pieces, right? Can I get 4 pieces with one cut? If I cut anywhere else, it unfolds into 2 pieces. It has to be a cut this direction, and when you cut, it will be 2 or 3 pieces with one cut. So, can we get more than 11 pieces with a rectangular pizza? Well, the first cut just gave us 3 pieces instead of 2. Is there anything in our problem? Someone said earlier that it doesn't have to be round because it doesn't say that it's round. The pieces don't all have to be the same size because it doesn't say they all have to be the same size. So, does the pizza have to be flat? Not necessarily. How many can I get with my second cut? Who knows, right?